Okay, what we gotta do next? You can see that the motor's off now because I'll have to weld stuff. Safety first. Okay, so we gotta put that there so the battery stays on. And I gotta make that nicer. But anywho, let's get welding. Okay, camera, you gotta wear a welding helmet because dangerous stuff. Yeah, that's not working. No. Yeah, you're fine. Okay, that looks good right about there. Ladies and gentlemen. You can't see me and I don't want to touch metal. We got him! Okay, let's check the other side. Ding, ding, ding. Wow, look at that! Smoking! Ready for this? No, I'm not. Oh yeah, that's it fits! It fits! We got it! That worked better than I thought it would. Okay. Let's do some more welding. I did something. Oh boy, that's glowing.
That's enough welding. Put it together now. Yay! Rise and grind.
Oh, that is sturdy. Kinda, I probably could rip it off. Okay, it is all connected. Look at this. Motor. That goes to the controller with that little guy there, and we're plugged into the battery and everything should run now. I gotta pump up the tires if you haven't noticed that they're super flat. Actually, they're not as flat because I have it on blocks right now, but it's flat. I need to pump them up. And yeah, let's turn it on. Watch this. Yeah, that is a lot more power than before. That's on low, boys and girls. Let's pick it up on high. I'm not gonna a long power. Reverse. Oh, that. It goes like just as fast in reverse as it does in low. Wow, okay. No! Okay. Seems like we don't have enough power. That's not good. Let's see if we can get a running start. Yeah, it's going! It's going! So, doesn't work. Also, the wires get really hot. Yeah. Too much current. Not good. Ooh, they're hot. So, yeah, doesn't work. Doesn't have enough torque. I act like I'm crying. Yeah. So it seems like we're not getting enough torque. That means it won't work. That's a lot of... Guess it's a fail. We failed. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Well, there goes that diploma. Gotta take it away. Just a sec, I need to somehow put that down here. Okay. And crying. Wait, stop! What? Hey, you don't have to throw that out!
So I don't have to throw this out?
Yeah, it's not the motor. It's the gears.
You hear that? What? It's not my fault?
Yeah, we just have to make a new gear.
So it's the gear's fault? Oh, nice!
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh, okay, cool. You can bring that back, I guess. Cool. That's great, you can stop it. What? Okay. Oh, nice.
Next time on Electric ATV, roll the clips. And look at that! Oh, that worked. Oh, sick! My new chains came in. Ah, cool. Okay, I just finished doing the design of this. So this is the old one. This is the new one. It's bigger and it has more teeth. You see that? More teeth. Now with the old one here, see that? See it's big. So we need to make it super tiny. Look at that, and less teeth, and that'll be better. Okay.